Another week, another adventure with Margarete Miller's Collage Challenge. Week number 51, and today I will be using her 5 prompts to create a 3-dimensional collage and a fairy tale weaving all the elements together. Join me if you like to see what unfolds, and let's get crafting together. Wow, second to last week of our year-long collage challenge, my friends. I decided this week I will do something a little bit unusual. I have a 3D effect in my collage this week, but as always I'm using a 4x6-inch index card, size of a postcard, because I will send it to my mom in Germany nevertheless. This time I think I have to put it in an envelope, but let's start at the beginning. Let's go over the prompts. These 5 prompts this week is something you see or do on vacation, a crossword or magazine newspaper puzzle, a calendar or portion of a calendar, a geometric shape, a piece of dried tea bag, and as a bonus, something folded. And that will be my 3D plus thingy. But yeah, I will talk more about it later. So first thing, I used this book quite a few times now, and here I thought I'd take this underwater world that on a vacation I love to go snorkeling one day, and I hope to see the coral reefs near Australia. So that's the first prompt. Then a crossword or magazine puzzle. Here's this I found in a thrift store. This little book with Sudoku puzzles. I will use that. This year my mum had a calendar with daily quotes, and when I visited her, I took one. Liebe ist, was dich lächeln lässt, wenn du müde bist. Love is what makes you smile when you are tired. The square here is the geometric shape, and the bonus, something folded. Here, this is the Victorian puzzle purse, and it's really intricately folded, and it's unfolding so that you have a secret hiding place for something. I recently made a video about it because I wanted to include one in my junk journal. You can find it, I will link it below. And yes, I thought I definitely will put this on my card this week. Here are the pieces of dried tea bag, 3 different ones. I will decide if I want a light or a darker one. Okay, let's start with the background. For the ones of you who have seen prior videos of mine, I'm often using a little frame in the size of a postcard to decide which part of the background I want to use, but for the life of me I couldn't find my frame, so I searched high and low but couldn't find it. So this time I'm just winging it. Okay, I wonder how everyone is feeling coming closer to the end of our year-long challenge together. I noticed I'm feeling a little bit sad that we are coming to an end, especially because I decided I will not continue participating every week in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge next year. I don't have much time to make these videos, and 1 per week is already stretching me quite a bit, and I would like to try some new things, and I feel very excited about it, but also quite a bit of grief actually to come to an end with this one. But before coming to an end, like we have also one more next week, and I also would like to enjoy making this one and being with you in this process. Maybe leave me a comment below. Yes, what are your plans? What are you anticipating on doing next year? So are you continuing with the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge? I definitely will watch some videos, and I also hope that every now and then I will make one of these postcards or one of these collages, definitely. Yeah. But for now, I also would like to tell you a fairy tale. And if you enjoy this, lean back, grab a cup of tea, and I hope you will enjoy. Once upon a time, in a vibrant underwater world teeming with colorful coral reefs and playful sea creatures, there lived a clever octopus named Oliver. Oliver was known throughout the ocean for his love of puzzles and riddles. His tentacles were always busy solving the latest conundrums that washed up from the human world above. One day, while exploring a sunken shipwreck, Oliver discovered a peculiar object, a Victorian puzzle purse. It was beautifully crafted with an intricate patchwork heart flower picture on the front. Intrigued, Oliver carefully unfolded the purse to reveal its secrets. Inside, he found a dried tea bag, a small piece of paper with a Sudoku puzzle, and a mysterious sentence written on a worn-out piece of fabric. Liebe ist, was dich lächeln lässt, wenn du müde bist. Love is what makes you smile when you are tired. But that wasn't all. Oliver's keen eyes spotted 4 small round wooden coins, each carved with a number, 1, 2, 3, and 4. He wondered about their significance as he chuckled at the thought of love being like a warm cup of tea after a long day of solving puzzles. As he pondered this, his friend Sally, the seahorse, swam by. "Hi, Oliver, what have you got there?" Sally asked, her eyes sparkling with curiosity. "It's a Victorian puzzle purse with a Sudoku puzzle and a wonderful quote about love, and these mysterious numbered coins," Oliver replied, showing her the contents. Sally tilted her head thoughtfully. "Maybe it's not just any Sudoku puzzle. Maybe, perhaps, it's part of something bigger. You know how humans love to hide messages in their puzzles." Intrigued by Sally's suggestion, Oliver decided to solve the Sudoku puzzle. As he filled in the numbers with his nimble tentacles, he noticed something unusual. The numbers seemed to move, to form coordinates. "These numbers might lead us somewhere," Oliver exclaimed, his excitement bubbling over like a pot of boiling water. "And I bet these wooden coins are part of the puzzle too." With Sally's help, they followed the coordinates through the oral maze. At each turn, they found a small underwater mailbox marked with one of the numbers from the wooden coins. They inserted each coin into its corresponding mailbox, which then opened to reveal a clue, leading them further along their path. Finally, they reached a hidden cove. The cove was dark and mysterious, but Oliver's bioluminescent skin illuminated the path as they ventured deeper. Strange shadows danced on the walls, creating an enchanting atmosphere. After what felt like an eternity of swimming through twisting tunnels adorned with shimmering pearls and glowing jellyfish, they finally reached an old chest covered in thick seaweed. With hearts pounding in anticipation, they pried it open to find more tea bags. Confused but amused by this unexpected find, Oliver laughed heartedly. "Well, it seems our treasure hunt has led us to an endless supply of tea." Sally giggled along with him, her laughter echoing off the cave walls. "Maybe it's not about finding treasures at all. Perhaps this is about enjoying this journey and laughter together." And so, Oliver and Sally returned to their underwater home. As they settled down for a well-deserved rest under the shimmering stars above, Oliver looked at Sally. "You know," he said softly to Sally as they sipped their final cup of tea for the day, "I think I understand now what that quote meant." Sally smiled knowingly. "Yes, love is about sharing moments together, whether it's solving puzzles or enjoying tea after an adventure. And so, from that day forward, Oliver's favorite puzzles was not one of numbers or riddles, but rather the delightful mystery of friendship and laughter beneath the sea. Oliver and Sally continued to explore new places together and solve new puzzles while cherishing every moment spent in each other's company. In their colorful underwater world filled with vibrant life and endless possibilities, Oliver learned that sometimes the greatest treasures are not what you find, but who you find them with, and that love truly is what makes you smile when you are tired or embarking on yet another whimsical adventure. This brings us to the end of our fairy tale, and the only thing left to do for us is to go over the prompts one more time. Something you see or do on a vacation. I thought about snorkeling and seeing the underwater world here in the background. A crossword or magazine puzzle inside the Victorian Puzzle Purse. A calendar or a portion of it is here, the quote in the back. A geometric shape is the square on the bottom. A piece of dried tea bag here behind the quote. And as the bonus, something folded is the Victorian Puzzle Purse. If you are interested of making a puzzle purse yourself, I will link my video explaining all about it at the end and also a link in the comment. I hope you enjoyed yourself today and give me a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe and I wish you a wonderful day. Bye for now.